That does not sound very happy this morning. Granted, it's like 60 degrees out. Starting to pull some cold air. And what you hear is the trash pickup truck. They just picked up my grandparents' garbage can over there. Not gonna film that. But yeah, it's the first time this thing has ran in I'd say a little over 12 hours. I think it came on one time last night. It was set to 74. I turned it down to 72 to record this video. My grandparents have not had theirs on in a few days, actually. That's getting cold. That's really cold and sweaty, actually, already. And that's about outdoor temperature, so. Ooh. Fucking sprinklers just got me. But yeah, 2024 Ford time. I'm definitely chilled now. I was not really expecting that, but you can kind of see the fan motors kind of bouncing around like how my old Goodman did. But you know, I'll look at the logo one more time before I get sprayed. But yeah, I was not really expecting to get downpour with fucking sprinklers. There's the thermostat right there. Sprinkler kind of felt nice, not even gonna lie. But now our irrigation system is going right now. Usually on cooler days we'll shut it off, but we do have a Hunter irrigation system. My grandparents have the same thing, so I guess I'll go ahead and shut the unit off now. Oh, looks like it's now going on this side of the house, so it's spraying the air conditioner now completely. But the one thing about that unit is it will not sound that great when it's cooler like this, like in the 60s, whatever. But when it's in the mid 70s to about 90s, it sounds normal. Obviously, it's a bit louder than my grandparents' unit, which is right down there. And as I said, they had theirs shut off for the past few days. I think they shut it off on Wednesday or Thursday. I think it was Wednesday. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll give you guys a quick snapshot of the AC real quick. Over and out.